Well, Ford Flex is behind me here. I was gonna do some work on that, but some other stuff has come up kind of unexpectedly. Some stuff has come in, some stuff's going out. So this big gigantic mess behind me here, I gotta kind of get some of this sorted out, move some stuff around, and get prepared for tomorrow. It's getting a little late at night, so I'm just gonna put in a couple good hours trying to get some stuff organized, sorted, ready for tomorrow, and then we'll carry on from there. Woohoo! Let's get after it.
I'm going back to the place I ran from. Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the bill man will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out of dreams, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire, a backseat for a bed in search for something brighter. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun, I'm going back to the place I ran from, where the earth and the men been hardened by life in the sun. Like my old man, he's 63, still swings a hammer, still tougher than me. What about my mother? Well, the last I heard, she was strung out on Demerol and some of those neighbors. I miss my good friend, look how far we come. Oh, settling down now, I guess we're worn out from the run. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun. Now I'm headed back, got the radio on. They're still playing Haggard's Working Man song.
Okay, to be fair, that cutting up that wood, that had nothing to do with tomorrow's job, but I just wanted to get that done while the Flex wasn't in here because it's taking up all my space. So just got that done so that I can carry on with the workbench project. Next, I really like all these LED lights up here, but up in this area, especially when the hood of a vehicle is open, there's no lighting. So I've got two more. I couldn't get a 2-pack of the 4-footers, so I just got a 2-pack of 2-footers. So they're just gonna go up here. I'm gonna kind of rearrange the rest of the lighting a little bit, so that's the next project while there's no other things in here. Okay, again, not strictly necessary for tomorrow's endeavors, but really did want to get that done. So now we have some nice illumination up here at the front of the shop, so that when we have a vehicle here and the hood is open, we can actually see under the engine. So that's going to be nice. I mean, obviously there's some, you know, some cables to tidy up, but that's no big deal. Get to that soon. All right, onwards and upwards. Okay, things are entering the next phase here. Now we're gonna prepare for tomorrow, and now is where you can probably start guessing what's happening tomorrow. Well, it's all loaded up behind me there. So we've got about an hour's drive to deliver this thing. So off we go. We got gravel. Look at that. So much more space for activities. Woohoo! Drove old Jake about an hour west of here, so kind of other side of Edmonton. The buyer, interesting fella, lives on an acreage with like zero utilities, zero anything. It's kind of like full-time camping, so they got all kinds of work that they can put old Jake up to. So that's pretty cool. You know, he's got lots of life left in him, so it's good that he can keep working. That's what he was made to do. So in the meantime, I can finish off my workbench, and I got some Ford Flex stuff to do, and want to kind of make that pile in the middle smaller, and you know, just keep on keeping on. So awesome.